inform you that we developed a technical problem with the engine. As we look into the issue, for your safety, fasten your seatbelts immediately.
Fasten your seatbelts! Fasten your seatbelts!
This is Captain. We're forced to make an emergency landing. All passengers assumed brace position.
Keep the brace position! Brace! Brace! Brace position! Brace! Brace!
Cabin crew, evacuate! Evacuate!
Release seat belts! Take and wear the life vest! Life vest under your seat! Inflate only when leaving the aircraft. Leave all your belongings. Evacuate using the exits closer to you.
Haven't you heard? Put on the life vest that is under your seat. Hey, put on the life vest.
This exit seems blocked. Check the other one.
Come this way. 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 Come this. Go to the end. Sit down. Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down.
Don't slow down the others. Come here and sit down near us.